Good morning, YouTube. It is 9 o'clock, 9:30 probably. And today is gonna be good. We're going I'm gonna go hang out with Ashley. We're going to her house. She's home alone, if you know what that means. But anyway, apart from that, I'm going out for lunch, and we might even go whale watching or something later this afternoon. I'm not too sure, but she's coming over now. I think she's driving here, but I can't check Life 360 because it's not working for some reason. Like, it's just not showing anyone. Maybe it's because I have different friends. But anyway. Oh, I can't believe I did that this morning. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you have to watch this video. That should pop up in a little poll right here if I know how to do it. Right there. If I don't, really embarrassing. But this is a video I put out before this one, earlier this morning. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I'll see you when Ashley's here. Oh man, come on, hold up. Whoop. So Ashley's not here yet, but my breakfast is, so I'm gonna eat that. And got some jam on toast. It's good. It's good. But yeah, so basically, Life 360 is still down, so I don't know what's up with that. It's really weird. Still can't see where Ashley is, if she's even coming out. But it says she's driving, so I'm assuming she is. So I don't know, but this time for real. I'll see you when she's here. So Ashley's about to be here in like 5 seconds maybe, so I'm gonna open the door. Because I think she's about to be here. But I think it's just at the door.
Hello. That was really scary. Ah! Every time.
Where are we?
At the viewer's mom's house.
What? You just got burned by Ashley.
We're at the beach.
Yeah. Good view of the beach.
There it is.
Right there. So that's it. That's where we're going, just over there to the beach. We're at the beach, and this is the view, and that's Ashley, and this is me, but that's the view. The waves look really nice, but of course when I go to record there's no waves. So that's really cool. There's a wave. What the heck happened? There was heaps of waves before, but then as soon as I started recording there's no waves.
Oh, gone.
And as soon as I put the camera on me, there's a big wave on that corner. But oh well.
No, it's not that big.
Okay, there we are. There's a wave there. Surely this time.
Oh, whoa.
Wow.
Crazy.
Last wave.
Little doggy. Hello.
Dog over there. We're leaving the beach. Bye beach. Goodbye my workplace. See you later. Off you go. Bye bye. No, you start walking, man. We found this cool little shell thing. There, shell thing. And we're gonna open it up. So if you want to either hold the camera or open it up. Okay. And now I'm gonna open it up. Hello. Hello, you know it. Almost. Alright. Very cool.
Oh my god.
Do you have it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a mussel.
Yeah, muscle.
Go.
Yucca.
Keep living your life.
Goodbye, Mr. Muscle. Yucca.
Okay.
Okay. Bye vlog.
No, that's your button.
I don't know how to end it.
Doesn't. Yeah. There's a little red button on the.
Hey. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so bad.
Shouldn't have picked at it.
Was it me?
It was you.
The quality is so good on this.
Yeah. It's not even the best quality.
Wow.
Yeah.
But yeah. Update. It's like 4:30.
Yeah. Nearly home time.
And it's nearly home time. Peace.
So this is what we made yesterday before I deleted all the content, all the videos.
Not sure who took the strawberry
Someone
there.
took the strawberry
But
out of the
look how
chocolate.
cute they are. Ooh, what's that, do you reckon? Strawberry pea.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Ready?
Oh man.
This one's for you, Dom.
You wanna watch my vlogs?
Doesn't he?
No.
Why?
I don't know. Cause he lives with me?
Yeah, but he's not saying this.
No.
Dominic, watch. I don't have foil, so you have to cut that.
Yeah, but that's what you should use anyway.
Yeah?
Yeah. Foil's for keeping something at a certain temperature, but since Susan. Gonna go to the fridge anyway. Oh, the whole one.
Can't have that many.
Okay. But yeah, we made these yesterday, before I deleted it all. But oh well.
One for you and one for Dom.
I don't need them, but Tom can have two.
Why don't you want them?
I don't like chocolate.
But we made them together.
I know, but I still don't like chocolate.
Fine.
Stop pulling him out.
Feel satisfying. Oh no.
Oh man.
This one's really squishy, ew.
Yuck.
I think we just get rid of them now. They're really squishy.
Okay. Bin time.
Bin time.
They were probably good while they lasted.
Yeah, I think it might be kind of a one-time thing.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know how we're going to get all that off.
I don't know. Hot water.
Yeah, I think so. Ah. No, but this is actually.
So yeah, we made those yesterday, so
What?
talking to them.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. That's awkward.
Bello.
Yeah, so we made those yesterday. But you can't see because I deleted it. So oh well, now we have two more. for
Yay!
Dominic to have, so
Dominic taste test review on the vlog later.
he can review it and say if they're good or not. They were good yesterday anyway.
Yay.
What are you doing?
Transition. Josh is home.
Yeah, I'm back home now. There it is. So a quick sneak peek, can't look for too long. There's the strawberries in my hand, in my pocket. But yeah, I'm in my house now. Ash is gonna go back home, and I'm gonna go put this in the fridge for a little bit, and then give them to them later. So, yeah. But anyway, I guess we'll see you later.
Bye.
So I'm back in my room now. Yeah, it was a good day. But still got heaps to go. I've got a massive plan for tonight. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have a plan at all. Ow, I just stabbed my flipping finger with my other finger. But basically my plan for the night is no clue at all what I'm gonna do. So just got a notification for something. I'm just gonna quickly check that. Alright, anyway, it didn't really matter because I didn't know what it was. Damn, actually. Oh well, that means they'll heal quicker, I guess. Wait, what? Is that got a line? Focus, Fizz. Focus. Alright, focus right there. No, it does not. What? Why does it look like a line from here? That was weird. That was weird. My mustache is growing back too. It's just my beard. Already, I shaved it like 2 days ago. Which sucks, because the people want it, man. You can leave, bro. He doesn't grow properly. So, it kind of sucks, man. I also forgot to put out that video from this morning that I was supposed to do earlier. Tell you know why there wasn't a video for today. But quickly, while I do that, I'm gonna show you guys this sunset. Just looking pretty flipping nice. Looks pretty cool, right? I'm gonna sit down here. I'll have to get this video up. Show you from the actual outside. Looks a lot better. Like, damn, look at that. Yeah, basically that's it. That's it for the video. Ow, my hair. Yo, can you focus on me, please? Muchas gracias. Why does my feet feel wet? It's not raining. Look, there's no rain in the sky, but my feet feel like they're getting rained on. So I'm gonna head back inside. But yeah, yo, that's it. That's it for the vlog. So I guess I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Damn, that sunset looks really, really nice. Damn, look at that. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the video today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wrong hand. My bad. Pizza time.